The world of artificial intelligence, or AI, is advancing at an unprecedented pace, and this week has been no exception. A key highlight is the emergence of AI agents, which are designed to automate complex workflows and perform tasks that previously required human intervention. One of the most significant developments in this space has been Manus AI, a powerful AI agent capable of handling multi-step tasks autonomously. Manus AI, a breakthrough in AI autonomy. Manus AI launched recently and has already gained massive attention. This AI agent can autonomously execute various tasks, including resume screening, property research, and stock analysis. Unlike early AI agents, which often got stuck in loops and required manual intervention, Manus AI integrates multiple AI tools to complete tasks effectively. One of its standout features is its ability to open and control a virtual browser, allowing it to navigate the web, collect data, and generate reports. A great example of its capability was a real-world test where it researched safe neighborhoods in New York for property investment. By using its virtual browser, Manus AI analyzed crime rates, local amenities, and real estate prices before delivering a well-structured report. Another impressive demo showed Manus AI evaluating resumes from a zip file, extracting relevant data, and summarizing each candidate's strengths and weaknesses. This level of automation can save companies hours of manual work and significantly improve hiring efficiency. Comparing Manus AI to early AI agents. For those who remember Baby AGI, an early AI agent designed to automate task management, Manus AI represents a major leap forward. Baby AGI had limitations, such as getting stuck in loops and requiring extensive manual oversight. Manus AI, on the other hand, takes a structured approach, breaking tasks into subtasks and executing them autonomously. An example of this structured workflow was demonstrated in a stock analysis task. Manus AI systematically gathered data, reviewed financial statements, and provided an in-depth analysis. While tools like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini can perform similar analyses, Manus AI's advantage is its ability to automate the entire process without human intervention. The real power of AI agents like Manus AI lies in their ability to execute practical, real-world tasks. A user tested Manus AI by instructing it to find the best locations for flying drones in downtown Austin for three-dimensional scanning purposes. The AI agent created a structured plan, researched drone regulations, analyzed Google Maps' three-dimensional views, and provided a list of optimal locations where drone flying was legally permitted. This is a great example of how AI can enhance efficiency and provide valuable insights. Additionally, users have experimented with Manus AI to automate SEO audits, create three-dimensional games, generate marketing content, and even assist with meeting preparations. One particularly interesting use case involved Manus AI summarizing a user's email inbox, identifying the most important messages, and presenting a structured report. This function alone can be a game-changer for busy professionals who receive hundreds of emails daily. AI agents are not limited to Manus AI. OpenAI has recently introduced new tools to help developers build their own AI agents. With the release of the Responses API, developers can integrate AI capabilities such as web search, file analysis, and computer automation into their applications. Microsoft has also jumped on board, integrating OpenAI's capabilities into its Azure AI Foundry, making AI-driven automation more accessible to enterprises. These developments indicate a future where AI agents will handle more than just research and summarization. They will take active roles in business decision-making, marketing, software development, and beyond. AI's ability to autonomously interact with online resources means that soon, many complex tasks will require minimal human oversight. Advancements in AI-powered creative writing. AI's evolution is not limited to automation. OpenAI has hinted at a new model designed for creative writing described by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman as an AI that has produced some of the most striking literary content he has ever seen. This model excels at metafiction, writing that blurs the line between reality and storytelling. While AI-generated text has been around for a while, this new development could revolutionize industries like publishing, content creation, and script writing. The ability to generate engaging, high-quality stories autonomously could change how we consume and produce written content. The role of Google in the AI revolution. Google has also been making significant strides in AI development. Their latest model, Gemma 3, is an open-weight AI model that performs nearly as well as some of the largest proprietary models, despite being significantly smaller. With only 27 billion parameters, it competes with models like DeepSeek R1, which has 671 billion parameters. Gemma 3 is multimodal, meaning it can process text, images, and video inputs. It has also been integrated into Google AI Studio, allowing users to access it for free. Google has further improved its AI ecosystem by introducing Gemini 2.0 Flash, a model capable of generating and editing images in real time. Users can now modify images using simple natural language prompts, making AI-powered design more accessible than ever. Additionally, Google has made its deep research capabilities free, similar to OpenAI's and Perplexity AI's deep research tools. This allows users to conduct in-depth analyses and generate reports based on comprehensive web searches. AI-powered coding and software development. The software development industry is also experiencing a transformation with AI-powered coding assistants. Cursor and Bolt have introduced features that enhance AI-assisted programming, making it easier for developers to generate, debug, and refine code. Anthropic's CEO, Dario Amodei, has predicted that within the next 3 to 6 months, AI will be writing 90% of all code, and within a year, it could be responsible for nearly 100%. This bold claim suggests that AI will soon take over the majority of programming tasks, allowing developers to focus more on conceptual work and system architecture. Conclusion: the future of AI agents. The rapid advancements in AI agent technology suggest that AI will soon be an integral part of our daily lives. Whether through automating tedious tasks, enhancing creative processes, or revolutionizing software development, AI agents are becoming indispensable tools in various industries. Manus AI, Google's Gemini, OpenAI's developer tools, and countless other AI innovations are shaping a future where intelligent agents handle complex work with minimal human intervention. As AI continues to improve, we can expect even more powerful tools that redefine the way we interact with technology. For businesses and individuals, the key takeaway is clear: adopting AI-powered tools now will provide a competitive advantage in the ever-evolving digital landscape. The AI revolution is here, and those who embrace it will be at the forefront of the next technological era. If you found this article insightful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment with your thoughts on AI agents and their impact on the future.